Hello dear students, today we will do concept greater than, less than, equal to. You can see all three sign over here. This is the sign of greater than, and this is the sign of less than, and this is equal to. So today we will know about this use of these three sign. Got it? And first of all I want to show you something. Now look over here, there is you can see over here there is the mouth of alligator. You can look over here, this is also the mouth of alligator, and this is also, but you can assume these are the sign of greater than, less than, and equal to. I already show you what is the sign of greater than. This is the sign of greater than, this is less than, and this is equal to. Okay, alligator like to its big number, whenever he look big number, and then he open his mouth on the side of big number, okay. Now dear students, look over here. You can see over here there are some numbers. You can look over here. What is this number? 586, and this is, what is this number? 870. I put it over here, alligator mouth, this one. So do you know what is this? Where is big number? This is big number. So alligator open his mouth on the side of big number. I put it this sign. This is less than. And you can see over here 696. What is this number? 696, and this is 410. I will put it over here sign of greater than. What is this sign? Greater than. Why I put it this sign? Because there is a big number, 696. Got it? So why I put it this sign like this? This is less than, and this is greater than. Now dear students, now look over here. What is this number? 990, and this number is also 990. I will put over here equal to sign. Which sign? Equal to. Why? Because both sides have same number. So we will put equal to sign. Now dear student, I will make you understand why I use greater than and less than and equal to sign. We have two comparison of two numbers. Now dear students, now look over here. You can look over here again. This is the sign of greater than, less than, and equal to. Now I will tell you how you can know where greater than sign and less than sign and equal to sign will come. So we will observe over here. So dear students, now look carefully. First of all, check hundreds place value. Dear student, whenever we have to check 100 place value, whenever 100 place value are different, we use what we use? We use greater than and less than. We will check over here. First of all, we will check. This is the 100 place value, and this is also, what is this number? 6, and there is 3. And dear students, when we use greater than, less than, and equal to, we will comparison of these two numbers, both side numbers, we will comparison. Okay, now you can look over here. Means this is 3 and this is 6 number. So we have to observe which is big number. So 6 is big number. It means this number is big, and you know very well alligator wants to eat big number. So where alligator will open his mouth? On this side. So which sign it is? This is the sign of less than. It means you can read it 357 less than 698. So dear student, you have to put sign according to this number. You use it is, if this is less than, then you have to write use less than sign. If it is greater than, then you use greater than. Okay, now focus over here. Again we will check 100 place value. This is 9 and this is 7. And dear student, keep in one thing in your mind. How you will know which number is big and which number is small? इन काउंटिंग विच नंबर कम बिफोर मीन्स पहले आता है वो नंबर स्मॉल होता है, जो बाद में आता है दैट नंबर इज बिग. सो इन काउंटिंग 9 विल कम before or after? So 7 and 9 we will comparison over here. So 9 number is big. So which sign come over here? Greater than. Which sign will come over here? Greater than. Now look over here. What is this number? This is 2 and this is 1. So which number is big? 2. We check only 100 place value. Dear student, we check only 100 place value. So which sign will come? Greater than. Now check hundreds, then 10. First of all, we have to check 100 place value. अगर 100 place value same है, then we will check tens place value. You can look over here. What is 100 place value? 7, and this is also 7. Oh, so both the numbers are same. So what will we do? Now we will check tens place value. What is over here? 5, and this is 8. So which is big, 8 or 5? 8. Yes. So which sign will come? Less than. Got it? Because this is a big number and alligator wants to eat only big number. Now again 4, and this is also 400 place value are same. So now we will check tens place value. Okay, so there is 5 and there is 2. Which is big number? 5. So which sign will come? Less than. Now again 8 and 8, 100 place value are same. Again we will check tens place value. 7 and 3. Which is big? 7. So which sign will come? Greater than. Got it, dear student? Now check over here. Check hundreds, tens, and then ones. Dear student, first of all we will check 100 place value, then tens place value. If 100 and tens place values are same, then we will check ones place value. Now you can look over here. 100 place value 3, tens place value 3. Okay, again 100, 6, tens place value also 3. So both number are same. So we will check ones place value. What is ones place value over here? 5, and there is 8. So which is big? This one. So alligator wants to eat big number. He opened his mouth on the side of big number. So which sign will come? Less than. Now 555. 5 hundreds, 5 tens, 5 ones. 500, 5 tens, and 0 1. So which is big? Ones place value we have to check. 0 or 5? 5 is big. This is sign will come over here. Sorry. Greater than. Okay, now 306 tens, 306 tens. So ones place value 9 and 8. Which number is big? 9. So there is sign will come less than. Now dear students, look over here. Now we will know the use of equal to. Equal to when both side numbers are same. Both sides are number same. Okay, you can look over here. 569, and this is also 569. So both side have same number. So which sign we will use? Equal to. Which sign we will use? Equal to. Now you can look over here again. 712 and 712. Again both numbers are same. So what we do? We will use equal to. Now I want to tell you one more thing. Now you can look over here. 606. This is number 606 and 660. Sometimes what happens? कुछ बच्चे क्या करते हैं? They think both sides same number. You can look over here. 606. 3 numbers are here and there is also 660. But what they think कि यहाँ भी 6 है, 0, 6 and ये same है और ये भी same है. No dear students, if there is like this condition, तो आपको क्या करना है? 100, tens and ones place value check करनी. Okay, 100, 600. Okay, 600 over here also. Now ones place 0 and tens place 0 and ones 6. 10. So tens place values are different. So it means tens place value 0 and 6. This is big number. So which sign will come? Less than. Got it? Like this we will check. This is 121. This is 112. So which number is big? These are same? No. Why? Because this is 121 and this is 112. So this number is big. So greater than sign will come. Got it, my dear students? So you have to first of all check 100 place value, then tens place value and then ones place value. Dear students, keep in mind, अगर 100 place value same है, then you will check tens place value. अगर tens place value भी same है, then you will check ones place value. यानी जहाँ पर आपको different place value नजर आए, then you have to observe over there कि which sign will come. So got it, my dear student? I hope you understood this concept. on the behalf of this concept you have to do this page. I will give send you this page also. You have to do this page. This is the concept. On the base of concept, greater than, less than and equal to. Got it? So you have to do these pages. Got it? This one also you have to do, and this is also have to do. You have to focus, you have to understood this. I hope you will enjoy it and you will do this exercise in your book also. If you don't have book, do it in your notebook. Thank you